Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. I'm doing 31 days of Halloween, and today's video is going to be all about the October Ipsy box / Boxy charm. So Ipsy and Boxy Charm do send me these products for free. I am not paid to make these videos. I'm just required in exchange for the free products to make the videos. And you know what? They're fun to do sometimes. So before I jump into it, I want to address my makeup. I did try on some of the products, and every time I do my makeup in October, I have to make it somewhat Halloween-y, and 9 times out of 10, it's gonna go more clownish. I feel super cute as a clown. I think in a former life I might have been a clown. But like I said, Ipsy sends me these products for free, and I do have an affiliate link listed down below if you're interested in signing up. I do believe next month is going to be the Icon box, which is always the most exciting. The Icon box happens, I think, every 3 months. It's quarterlies? Yes, every 3 months. I will say for this month, I'm not overly disappointed. I just feel like it would be so much better if they would just commit to a better theme for months that hold special holidays, like October, spooky season, December, Christmas, February, Valentine's Day. Regardless, I do appreciate them sending this to me, so let's just jump into the products. So this month's theme is Beauty Nightmares, and you would think with a theme like that, you would have more spooky elements in here. You do not. However, the bag is super cute. It is very witchy. I love the little, I want to call it snow globe. It's not a snow globe. Crystal ball. That's it. It is a very witchy bag, and I am here for it. I don't always keep Ipsy bags, but one like this, I will keep. First product up is from Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which I have heard people rave about across all social medias. I, however, am not trying this because Bobbi Brown is not cruelty free. So when I come across products that I get that aren't cruelty free in these boxes and bags, I have a little bucket that I set aside for a future giveaway. My next one should be around Christmas time. We'll see how that goes. It's cool that they included this because it is a highly talked about product, but it's a bummer if you only try to use cruelty free products. Next up is from the Toy Factory. This is the Hyaluronic Oat Milk Oil Makeup Remover. I have tried a couple things from Toy Factory before, and I've really enjoyed them. This will be my first time trying out this makeup remover, which I will try to use soon. I'm not obviously using it in this video, but I do like the bottle. It is a mini size, but it's kind of cute. It reminds me of, like, you know, back in the day, I don't know if they still do it, but like the kid styles that came with like the little bottle accessory, like, it reminds me of that. So I am excited to try this. I don't think I've tried a makeup remover like this. I definitely go for more of the cleansing balms. They just work better for me. But I am excited to try this one. And then there is a blush in here. It is from Moonslice Beauty, and it is the shade Beautiful. This is a cruelty-free brand that I have never heard of before. But this is a really pretty pink blush. I do try this on top of some of my other makeup that I have going on. Do I necessarily think that this blush screams Halloween? No, but it's actually a really cute blush. But I have it mostly on my nose and across my cheek, and it's a really, really pretty blush. I can see myself reaching for this because it's the type of blush that I like to gravitate towards. Not so much in the fall time, but I see myself using this in the winter time because if you want like that Kiss by the Cold look, is that the term for it? Kiss by the Cold? This would be a great shade for that because it is just such a beautiful like pinky shade. I don't think it would work across all skin tones, but for me, it works. I like it. Alright, and then the last 2 items in the Ipsy bag are lip products. First up is the Beauty for Real Neutral Define Lip Liner. This is a really pretty natural color. I can see myself gravitating toward this quite often because it's just such an easy liner. It's very creamy, it's very easy to apply, and I blended it out with my finger and it worked wonders. I can see this pairing well with a lot of my favorite lip oils and just like lip butters like I've tried today, which leads me into the next product, which is from Do of the Gods. This is the Sorbet Mini Strawberry Mandarin Hyaluronic Lip Butter. This is obviously in like a mini size, and it smells good. It's pretty much clear. It has like just a slight hint of a pink, but it feels really comfortable on the lips. I'm gonna put actually a little bit more on, and I'm into it. I feel like this brand, Do of the Gods, is a brand that they've been trying to include in a lot of the boxes and bags because I feel like I've gotten quite a bit from this brand, and I've been pleasantly surprised with a lot that I've tried. So I'm not mad at either of these products. I actually quite like them. So overall, I think I would give this Ipsy bag a 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's pretty good. Alright, and next up is Boxy Charm, and I will admit from like the little pamphlet that they included, I thought for sure we'd get something more in line with the season. I'm not saying that this BoxyCharm box is bad. I just think if they were trying to stick to a theme, they missed the theme by a lot. So they did include 2 skincare products in here. I do think BoxyCharm should scale back just a little bit on sending so much skincare in their boxes, just because it's so much and it's so much of the same type of product. Like this time around, we got another vitamin C serum. This is from Clara's New York. It is the Advanced Serum Vitamin C plus Vitamin E Brightening Serum. And there's nothing wrong with that, but I just feel like we've gotten similar items so much. And like, at least throw in like an exfoliator, something different. You know, cleansers I go through quite a lot. I'm not going through serums very fast because personally I've scaled back on what I do for my skincare and I don't always use a serum. Nothing against that brand, I don't know anything about them, but I kind of wish we would have got something different. The other skincare item is the Toe Vegan Don de Dieu? What? This is the Green Glow Up Cream. I did not open this yet because I have a couple moisturizers open right now and I didn't want to open a new one. This one does sound really good. It is cruelty-free and vegan. I actually did Google this and the description is chlorophyll. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that are known to help reduce acne, detoxify the skin, and help skin cell regeneration. Ultimate moisturizing effect. And that sounds actually really good. More so for the detoxifying aspect of it. I am in desperate need of detoxifying my skin because of all the Halloween makeup that I've been doing. But this sounds fantastic. I am interested in trying it and it is only $25, so if I fall in love with it, it's not overly expensive to where I am crying every time I make the payment for it. So even though this is a skincare item, I don't mind it. I will be using it. Next up is a lip product from the brand CabanaCreme. This is the Unforgettable Lipstick in the shade Modern Love. It is a cream lipstick and I have not opened this. I'm not going to try it. CabanaCreme is not cruelty free, so I'm going to add this one into my future giveaway. It's nice that they added a more like luxury brand in here, but can't they just do all cruelty free products? And then the next item is from Tarte. This is the Peach Blush Tape. I will be honest, I have not tried anything from Tarte in quite a while. And I've never tried their blush tapes or their contour whatever tape thing. I don't know. They took the tape thing and ran with it. But I did try this on today. Obviously, I put the pink blush on top of it. I will say though, I'm not that impressed with it. I didn't really care for the color on me. I do like peach tones on me, but this one I just didn't really care for. Mainly because it kind of blended into nothing. I will try to continue to use this. Maybe pair it more with a peach powder blush just to make it pop a little bit more. But I think I would have liked this more if I got a different shade. But overall, it's not bad. And then the last item in here is a makeup palette from Eloise Beauty. This is the Goddess palette. I will say swatch-wise, very pretty. I did use this palette to create this clownish look today, except for the liner. Obviously, that was not included in the box. So there are only 3 matte shades in this palette, and I went in first with Empress Elegance, and I did sort of like a, what is that called? Halo eye situation. And then I moved down to Opulent, this beautiful navy blue, and I put that, obviously, all on my lower lash line in a clown shape. I did take Luxurious Luster, the shimmery blue, over that. And then to finish off my lid, I did try to go into Heavenly Grace. It's not that light. It's more of like a muted taupe. It's not bad. It's just not something you can highlight with. Majestic though is one of the best shades in here. That is such a pretty shimmer. And then Transcendent Beauty is like that greeny brown shift. Very pretty. And I did mix Divine Aura and Majestic for my inner corner. So I ended up just not using Goddess Glow or Regal Radiance. But overall, I do like the quality of this palette. It's very pigmented. It's easily blendable. The blues are absolutely beautiful. I did not expect to like this as much as I did, but I'm very, very happy with it. I do wish though that they would have knocked out one of these shimmers and put in another matte. But overall, I am very happy with this, and I can kind of see the vision with this color story, although I'm kind of getting sick of brands doing like neutrals and pops of blues. Like, you can be a little bit more creative, but overall it's a really good palette, so I am very happy with this. And I think for this month I will give October a 3.75 out of 5. Almost 4, but it's the skincare that just knocks it down, and I'm not that impressed with the blush tape. It is what it is. At least I got a good palette out of it. So overall, I am pleasantly surprised with this month. I do wish that the products lean more towards the spooky season, but I do understand that they have to kind of market to everybody, and not everybody celebrates you know, spooky season. So go ahead and let me know what you think about this month's theme and the products that I got. And if you get the box in the bag, let me know what some of your variations were, because I know BoxyCharm does send out different things to different people. I'd love to see what sort of differences that they have for everybody. So if you are interested in signing up for Ipsy and BoxyCharm, my referral link is listed down below, along with all of my makeup details. I'll include everything else I did on my face and all of my accessory details. Everything is just listed down below. But I think that covers everything. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am putting out a video every single day this month for 31 days of Halloween, and I would just really appreciate it if you guys would just stick around. I'm trying to be fun here. Anyways, you can also follow me over on my socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and if you want some book content, because I do love my books so much, account is Ashley with 2 H's.reads. I try to put up as much content over there as I can, but I've been slacking just a little bit. But I think that covers everything. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're seeing this. Stay spooky, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!